In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of content in Confluence. This is a simple but really powerful way to make your pages easier to navigate, especially when they get long or have lots of sections. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add the table of contents. Make sure you're in edit mode on that page so you can make changes. If you're just viewing the page, look for the option to edit, usually at the top of the screen, and click it. Once you're in the editor, position your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people place it near the top of the page, just under the main title or introduction, so viewers see it right away. Next, start typing the / key. This is how you bring up the macro menu in Confluence. As soon as you type the slash, you'll see a list of options appear. In the search field that shows up, start typing the word table. You don't need to type the whole phrase, just enough for Confluence to filter the list of macros and show you the option you need. From the list of suggestions, look for table of contents. When you see it, click on it to insert it into your page. Confluence will now add a table of contents macro at the spot where your cursor was placed. This macro automatically scans your page for headings, like heading 1, heading 2, and so on, and turns them into clickable links. At this point, you should see a placeholder or preview of your table of contents. It might show a simple list of headings that already exist on your page. If you don't see much yet, that usually means you need to structure your content with proper headings. Go through your page and make sure your sections use the built-in heading styles instead of just bold text or larger fonts. The table of contents will only pick up those official heading levels. Once the table of contents is in place and your headings are set up, click the Publish or Update button to save your changes. After publishing, scroll through your page and test the table of contents by clicking a few of the links. Each one should jump you directly to the matching section, making navigation smooth and professional for anyone reading your Confluence page.